Prophetic
Are we
accuracy
bound
by the
in
move of
chains?
God. Divine intervention by God. This young man has a very strong calling on his life. Part
Huh?
Yes,
3.
sir.
Please listen.
All right.
When I wasn't around my mother, when I was down at the one room.
When you weren't around your mother?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Jamar, I want you to turn 3 times anti-clockwise. So, you know, the clock normally go 1, 2, 3 from the right. So you're gonna turn 3 times anti-clockwise from the left. So you're gonna turn this way. You seeing me? This way. Three
Yeah,
times.
yeah.
That's 1. Turn around one more time. That's 2. Turn around one more time. That's 3. Turn, not spin. Me not deal with spin. Turn. Once you turn 3 times, let me know. Man, dadai do do skodo lebra. Hey, bo sundo. My God.
Yeah.
You turn 3 times, right? In
Yeah.
Jamar, stamp your feet 7 times. Hey, bo
Yes.
sundo. Stamp your feet 7 times. Each feet. So stamp each feet 7 times. Hey, bo sundo. Once you finish that, let me know, sir.
I have done it.
I want you to
Yes, I have done it.
turn clockwise now 3 times. So to your it will be to the right 3 times. The way the clock goes 3 times. So 1, 2, and then 3.
I have done.
All right. I want you to put your hands in the air and
I am
shout
finished.
Jesus 7 times.